Airbus A350-1000 starting his display. Going over 275 at Heathrow. This is the latest member of the 350 XWB wide-body family, something like 74 metres nose to tail. That family is a highly flexible A350-1000s to 11 customers, to Qatar, to Cathay Pacific, to Etihad, to British Airways, Japan Airways, LATAM, Asian Airlines, Virgin Atlantic, Air Lease Corporation, to Air Caribbean, Iran Air, and one to an undisclosed customer. Is that yours, Michael? Oh, this is what, that was yours. What's interesting is that more than half of the major A350 XWB customers have also bought both the Dash 1000 and Dash 900 variants. Drifting past now, one of these those wings just so beautiful and gracefully. High-level commonality between the Dash 900 and Dash 1000 aircraft. In fact, 95% commonality of systems. Same part numbers, same type rating. That cuts down the cost of airlines, cuts down the time that crews change on their training between one type to another. Derivative, but it has changed considerably. Design flight of the Dash 900 took place in June 2013, and at the controls then, as of the controls now, was the Airbus Chief Test Pilot Pete Chandler. He's no stranger to Farnborough Airshow. In fact, he demonstrated the tornado way back in the 80s here.
Ho visto che ritraevi la mano, stronzo, come un tirchio.
(118 knot ground speed at only 800 feet. 118 knot ground speed coming down to 110 now. It's going to read at 109 knots. 109 knots as well. 108 is the slowest ground speed today. There's the bar coming back on the Trent 1000 engines. Now that ground speed is slower than you could fly, it says, the 150. More flight to do tomorrow, and then he retires after 43 years, and he doesn't fly again. He said when he walks away after the show tomorrow, he will hang. As the Airbus taxi car to the short, you'll know with the speed of the sound of either the Sea Fury or the Spitfire later.